everyone, welcome back to my channel guys. So today this video is all about the jewelry haul video and I'm going to show you the jewelry I own and how much rupees I got it, from where I got that jewelry and how I bargained for that. So this video is all about that. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So the first piece of jewelry I own is this beautiful neck piece. Like, I am so in love with these kind of neck pieces. These are junk jewelries and as you can see the design, it is so beautiful and it costed me around 200 rupees. Like shopkeeper told me it is of 500, so I bargained and I got it for 200 rupees and I think I did well. So, and I'll show you guys how it look on me. So you can wear it on any off-shoulder top or kind of broad neck top, so it will look so beautiful. So I love this. So other piece of jewelry I own is this beautiful neck piece. As you can see, this is a golden neck piece and it's having crystal all over and I think it's so beautiful. Like, if you can wear it with any sari or any ethnic outfit, and you can also wear it with any western outfit too, and it costed me around 150. Like, it was for rupees 300 but I bargained, I got it for rupees 150 and it's from Janpat and I love this piece of jewelry. So there is a 30 rupees shop in Sarojini as well as in Janpat, so I bought a beautiful neck choker from there. So this is so beautiful. As you can see, it is such a nice choker and it costed me around for rupees 30 and it is so beautiful. I'll show you guys, like, wait. So as you can see, this is such a nice choker and it's gonna look super cute on any outfit. So I love this and it's from Sarojini. So I got another jewelry from 30 rupees shop. Is this beautiful hand cuff, or you can say a hand bracelet, and I got this for rupees 30 and it is having elastic, so you can adjust it and you can wear it this way. So I'll show you. This is gonna look super cute, as you can see, and this is so beautiful piece of jewelry. You can get at a very cheaper price and you can pair it with any black outfit. So this is such a nice piece of jewelry and I love this. As you all know that tassel earrings are so in trend right now, so I bought one of them. So this is a beautiful cream color, as you can see, and I'm gonna pair them with some beautiful top or any of one of my kurti. So this is so beautiful and I like this, and it costed me around rupees 30. So this is such a nice deal to get this beautiful pair of earrings for rupees 30. So I like it. As you all know that Chand Balis are so in trend right now, so I own this pair of Chand Bali, which is a silver color, and it is such a nice beautiful Chand Bali. You can pair it with any top, any beautiful ethnic wear. So I love them and I got another one too from Janpat and I'll tell you the prices as well. So these are this golden type of Chand Bali and I love them so much, and I got another one from there. This one, like, it is a multi-color, having an orange and a blue color, and this one is again a silver. So I love them. Like, it is having bells, so it produces a sound kind of thing. It is also having a bell. So these three Chand Balis I got for rupees like 150 each. So I love these. Like, I'm a big fan of ethnic jewelry and these are so in trend, so I love them. So from Janpat I bought this beautiful pair of earrings, as you can see, and from the same shop I bought this pair of earrings. Like, these are the danglers type and these are like jhumkis, and I love them and it costed me around 40 rupees each. So it's a nice deal and I'm gonna pair them with any kurti, so these are going to look super cute and make your outfit more better. So from Sarojini I got this beautiful pair of choker. Like this one is the choker and this is a long chain with this, and it costed me for ₹50, and I'll wear it and show you guys. So it is gonna look super nice and this way, like this chain is stuck here and this one goes down, so it is a nice choker look, and you can pair it with any broad neck top. So as you all know that this pom-pom type of earrings are all over the internet, like everyone is wearing them, so I bought these earrings. Like these are super cute orange color of pom-pom earring, and you can pair them with a nice pair of kurti and it's gonna look super cute. Like I'll just wear it and show you like this. So it's gonna look super cute on any outfit. And I bought another pair of pom-pom earrings. Like these are having mirror, and these are also beautiful one. Oh my god. So I'm gonna show you that this one too. So this is gonna look this way. So I think these are super cute earrings, and these costed me for ₹50 each, and I bought them from Sarojini. So I think these are nice and I love them. So guys, if you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, that is King S Chandra. And you can also follow me on Instagram. I'll put my Instagram username somewhere here. And till then, bye bye, take care, love you all. Mwah.